What is the simplest way to stop the commentary that's ongoing inside our minds when we're trying to interact with the world?
Ah, okay, so you want to be able to control your thoughts. Of course, because sometimes we find ourselves in a situation where we start having thoughts that we don't want. So we try to grab hold of our thinking and wrestle it or find ways to direct it to where we want it to go. And if we can't do that, then we feel uncomfortable or stupid or out of control. Because we assume that the way things happen is that we start to think about things and we pick something to focus on and we analyze it and we weigh it and then we visualize an attitude and direct our reactions, and then we come up with the idea of what's important or correct. And then we decide that's worth going after, and we start doing one thing or another to bring that thing about. If we could just do that, then we'd be happy. But that is not how things happen at all. In fact, it is completely the opposite way round. Thought is not the starting point of our feelings and actions. The self is not thought. Thought's a product of something much deeper. Desire is the closest thing to the self of a person. First, we feel a desire. We don't think it, we just feel it. It's desire that gives rise to thought, and that's why we only think about what we want or why we don't have what we want or how to get and keep what we want. A desire brings with it an operating system to help it grow and to perform its work. We can't change our desires with our thoughts. We can only magnify them. We can't change our thoughts with our thoughts. So if we want great thoughts, we need great desires. So the question really is, how do I change what I desire?